Hello everybody, welcome to my channel The Proper Guidance. Here we are today to discuss program number 8, that is to display the Fibonacci series. Write a program in Python to display the Fibonacci series. Now what is Fibonacci series? Do you know what is Fibonacci series? And this series is for sum series. Fibonacci series for sum. The series is like that: 0, 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 2, 3, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, and so on. That means these two terms, 0 and 1, these two are fixed, and doing summation of these two terms we get this one, and 1 plus 1 we get 2, 1 plus 2 we get 3, 2 plus 3 we get 5, 5 plus 3 we get 8, and so on. This is the Fibonacci series for summation. Okay, so with the help of Python programming language, we are going to discuss about this program, how to write down the code snippet. Look, this is the variable n, and n is what? Number of terms. Number of terms, this will be the user input. So int input method used here. How many terms completed? Parenthesis completed, one more parenthesis will be here. Now this is used for comment section. You know this symbol is used for comment. First two terms, what I am said here, first two terms 0 and 1 are fixed terms. Okay, so n1 and n2, there are two variables where I stored these two fixed value 0 and 1, and this is very important part that in Python programming language, Python allows us to assign more than one variables in one statement, right? n1 comma n2 equals to 0 comma 1. This means that n1 equals to 0 and n2 equals to 1. Assigned, we assign the value 0 and 1 in the variable name n1 and n2. And here is another one, count. Count is the variable, and this is initialized with 0. Now if n less than equals to 0, if n less than equals to 0, then we have to print this statement: please enter a positive number, because Fibonacci series for summation we use here the positive terms will be there. No negative terms are required here, because 0 and 1 are fixed and this is the positive trend, and we should input only the positive value. That's why this line is important. If n less than equals to 0, please print this line: please enter a positive number. Okay, else if I pronounce it that else if, but this is used elif. This is the keyword used in Python for else if section. Elif n equals to 1. If n equals to 1, this means print Fibonacci sequence up to n. N equals to, if the terms only one term is there, what is the value? The value will be 0, because this is the fixed term. So print n1, it will print the value 0. Else, here starts the actual Fibonacci series code snippet. Here is it, and where it is, what is print Fibonacci sequence. Print, else print Fibonacci sequence. There is a while loop. Check it minutely. Count less than n. While count less than n, print n1, end space. That is count less than n. 0. What is the first value of count? 0. So 0 less than n. Then while loop starts, print n1, then n3 is a variable where we put the sum of two variables n1 and n2, n1 plus n2. After that, n2 is assigned to n1 and n3 is assigned to n2, and the loop continues count plus equals to 1, count equals to count plus 1. The loop will continue, and when the condition is false, then the loop will stop. So this is our output section. Output, how many terms we are giving here? 5. Then Fibonacci sequence we will get 5 terms: 0, 1, 1, 2, 3. Why? Look, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 2, 3. 5 terms will be given here. So this is the actual program, and now I will dry run it for your understanding. Dry run it. This is the way to learn a programming language, to know the logic properly. Count greater than n. N equals to 5. Count equals to 0. 0 less than n, 0 less than 5. Yeah, obviously 0 is less than 5. Now print n1. Print n1. What is n1? n1 is 0. We are printing it. End space means here is a space. Here is a space, and n3 equals to n1 plus n2. What is the value of n1? n1 equals to 0, n2 equals to 1. n1 equals to 0, n2 equals to 1. So n3 equals to n1 plus n2. n1 plus n2, n1 plus n2, and n1 equals to n2. Now 0, n3 equals to, n3 equals to n1 plus n2. n1 plus n2 means 0 plus 1, that is 1. n3 equals to n1, n1 equals to n2. What is the previous value of n2? 1, and n2 equals to n3. n3 value means 1. Okay. Now count equals to count plus 1, that is 1. That is 1. It means 1 less than 5. When 1 less than 5, the loop continues. When the loop continues, we print n1. What is the value of n1? Last n1, that is 1. So 0, the series will first print 0. I am discussing here. First print 0. After that, this 1 is printed. n1 equals to 0. This one is 0. And next this 1 will be printed. Third term 5, and same thing happened here also. n3 equals to n1 plus n2. What is the value of n1? 1 plus 1, that is 2, and again n1 equals to n2. What is the value of n2 here? 1. What is the value of n2? n3. What is the value of n3 in the previous line? n3 in the previous line, 2. Okay. So count equals to 2. 2 is also less than what? 2 is less than 5. Loop continues. And we will get here n1. What is the value of n1? n1 equals to 1. So again we get the value of these things. Like this continuation. n3, n1 equals to 1, n1 equals to 1, n2 equals to continuation till the number of 3 and up to 4. So we get here what is the value? n1 equals to, look, count 2 less than 5, and n1 equals to what? n1 equals to, n3 equals to n1 plus n2. n1 plus n2 means 3. 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2, 3. n1 equals to n2, that is 2. n2 equals to n3, that is 3. Count equals to 3, that is also less than 5. And we display here n1 equals to value, n1 equals to 2. This is displayed here. Third term. Okay. Third term is displayed here. After that 3 less than 5. 3 less than 5, the loops continue. So n1, print n1. We print this value here. n1 value 2 is printed here. Okay. For this section, print n1, and then again we consider n3 equals to n1 plus n2, 2 plus 3. Right. n1 equals to n2. What is the value of n2? That is 2. And n2 equals to n3, that is 5. Now count equals to 4. 4 less than 5. Loop continues. And when the loop continues, we will print n1. Print n1. Print n1 means what is the value? Print n1. n1 equals to 2. So we have printed 2. And then when loop continues, count equals to this thing and we add it and go through this, and this we get the 3. So continue. You just write down these steps clearly in your copy one by one and complete it properly. I have some space problem, so I terminate here. You just go through, take the terms and write down it in your copy. Okay, so for today's lesson this is completed. Next day we will do something new, some new concept, some new programs will be there. Till then, take care and thank you for watching.